Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. I'm actually doing this message a little bit earlier than normal because Robin and I did our weekly shopping yesterday for the simple fact that Robin is going down south for a conference this week, starting today. So last night we did something super simple, brats and fries. It's that easy. It was yummy. We used Johnsonville brats, which are very good, by the way. So today, part of me being a bachelor this week, I got to choose my menu. Yes. We're starting off with caramelized, slow-roasted Asian beef short ribs. Oh, yum. The house is going to smell fantastic. It's a 3-hour braise. Yes. With hand-smashed potatoes. And I'm probably going to do, remember, this is just me, corns and peas as a veggie. Let's get to it. Got the hardware going. For the potatoes, for the short ribs. Got some very nice short ribs from my buddy Mike, who's one of the butchers at Bel Air. These were packaged just as we walked in to the butcher area. Some brown sugar, soy sauce, rice vinegar, some sesame oil, hoisin sauce, beef stock, garlic, ginger, Chinese 5-spice, red chili flakes, and sesame seeds, and the last, green onions. Yeah. Smashed potatoes. I'm using good old russets. We'll have some butter, some cream. Yeah. There it is, folks. Here's the proof copy of recipes are just guidelines. This came yesterday, and this is a fantastic looking book. Let me get to some of the plates in here. There we go. Nicely done. Here's the back cover. So I kind of kept it secret. I did. I actually submitted both the paperback, which you just saw, and the hardcover. They went into review. I've already gotten notes back. I've got some minor adjustments. Then I'll send it back to review. So both books should be out very shortly. Price on the paperback is going to be $24.95 before applicable taxes, depending on where you're at in the country. And the hardback is only going to be $30.95 before taxes in the applicable areas, blah, blah, blah. Yada, yada, yada. So I've tried to keep it as low as possible. So yeah, that's my Sunday. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.